The Stanley Hotel, located in Estes Park, Colorado, is a historic and iconic landmark, known for its grand architecture and eerie connection to Stephen King's The Shining. Built in 1909 by Freeland Oscar Stanley, the hotel was designed in a luxurious Georgian style and originally intended as a health resort for tuberculosis patients. The hotel's stunning location, overlooking the Rocky Mountains, quickly became a popular destination for tourists, and its opulent design made it a symbol of early 20th century elegance. However, the Stanley Hotel gained worldwide fame when Stephen King and his wife stayed there in 1974. The hotel's isolated setting and its eerie atmosphere inspired King's 1977 novel, The Shining, which was later adapted into a famous 1980 film directed by Stanley Kubrick. Despite the film's departure from the hotel's actual features, the Stanley Hotel became a paranormal hotspot, with many visitors claiming to have witnessed ghostly activity, particularly in the Stanley's ballroom and ballroom. Today, the Stanley Hotel remains a popular destination for both history enthusiasts and those seeking a supernatural experience. It offers guided tours, ghost hunting experiences, and accommodations, preserving its status as a key piece of Colorado's history and a significant part of American horror.